Here's how to download and play Poppy Playtime on your PC or laptop through Steam. Poppy Playtime is available on Steam. Chapter 1 is free and later chapters are paid. If you do not have Steam yet, open your browser, go to steampowered.com and click Install Steam. Download and run the installer, click through the setup and log into your account or create a free one. Once inside Steam, click the search bar and type Poppy Playtime. Select the game from the results, click Play Game to begin the download. Steam will show you the total file size and the installation location. If you want to save it to a different drive, click the drive selector and choose your preferred location. Click Install and wait for it to complete. Once installed, click Play and the game will launch directly through Steam. Chapter 1 is completely free, so you do not need to spend anything to start. If you enjoy it, the later chapters are available to purchase directly through the same Steam page. A tip: if you are playing for the first time, do not skip the in-game tutorial. Poppy Playtime relies heavily on understanding how the grab pack mechanic works, and missing that makes the puzzles much harder than they need to be. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.